Alright, it's me again. I got another app called Android Android Fun Ringtones. Now currently, if any of you guys were to if any of you guys were to text me, this is what would happen. Don't make me look stupid. Here. Which could be annoying after many times. Or how about this one? Yeah, that's what I'm talking about. How about this one? It's like a... Whoa! See? Text came in. Ah, annoying. I really gotta change that one. We also got... a bee? This one's cool. You want to get this one for all you guys out there.
Telephone call for the sexiest man in the room.
Yes, I repeat.
Telephone call for the sexiest man in the room.
That's telephone call for the sexiest man in the room. There's another... this one.
Mom,
Stewie, Family Guy. And you all know I can't stand Family Guy, so I'm not choosing that one. Take 'em piss. That one's cool. Or is this one? Real mature. Wow, there's tons of shit on here. There's the mushroom. Anyways, endless fun with this thing, man. Just, again, that's called Android Fun Ringtones. Because they're meant to be fun. So, wee! Enjoy it up, y'all.